Hi, today I will be explaining to you about if conditions in Kotlin. If conditions are really simple. You can write them in three ways. One-liner if, you can write it on multiple lines, and then you can write them if else block conditions. So first, let's start with one-line if conditions. First, I will prepare some arguments that I will be needing. I will write a value of a which will equal 10, value of b equals 20, and then I will have some variable with the name max, and it will be integer. So I will write a very simple program doing comparison between two variables and giving the bigger value to our max variable. So let's start with one line if. Let's first print okay. Let's first print our max value. It will be print line one-liner if, and then we'll print our max value. It will be something like max equals, and here we will add max. Max. So in order to print max value, we need some value for it. We'll give max a value of 0. Okay, now let's do our if expression. We'll write if a is bigger than b, then max will get the value of a. Okay, let's see what's the result. We will expect max to be 0 because a is less than b. So print new line result max equals max. Okay, now let's see the result of our program. I will run it. So here you can see one-liner if, the initial value of max which is 0, and then the result of max that is also 0. Now let's try a multiple lines if condition. It will be something like if a is bigger than b, then we'll open a block, and then in the block we'll be doing max equals a, and this is the same as the above, just we've opened a block for the conditions in or if it is true. And then I will show you here. Let me write it, multiple line if. Okay, and here let's do a if else condition. So now let's add handling when a is less than b or a is equal b. We can write if a is bigger than b, then we have, let's print the result with print line a bigger than b, and let's do max equals a. But if it's the other way around, we'll just do print new line a is less than b, and then max gets the value of b, and here we'll print our final result, print line final result max equals, and here we will add our variable max. Now let's build again the program and run it. Here you can see that our one line if isn't changed, and then we also added the print of the comparison. Here you can see that we printed the second statement in else block, that is a less than b, and then our final result, you can see that finally Bugs got the value of 20. So that was all about if conditions in Kotlin. If you have any comments, you can leave them down below, or if you have any video requests, you can also leave them down.